Today is a good day. This project has been in the making for about 8 years now, a little over actually. It has been a ground up, call it a resto mod. Not exactly a restoration, but a little bit more about like my version of the way I think Ford should have made it. This is my 75 F100, and it's got it's a 4-wheel drive, and it's got a 390 FE under the hood. And I just got done putting about 50 miles on her. It was her first time out of the garage here, besides a quick turnaround out in the road. Yeah, like I said, in 8 years under her own power. And she's not quite done, but my goal was to make her roadworthy, make her drivable. She's actually legal as she sits here. She's insured, registered, all that. There's no exhaust besides some headers, so I guess that could be a little bit of an issue, but I'm working on that. I've got quite a bit more to do here, but it's nice to be able to finally say that I can take this thing out and drive it and actually use it. So I will be making some additional videos that'll talk about exactly what I've done here and what else there is to do. And stay tuned for more.